Hey everyone, I have gotten myself into a bit of trouble with a post that I'd archived, not really knowing what archive meant, but I could not find a video anywhere to help me recover that archived file. So today I'm going to basically show you how I figured out how to get your archived posts back onto your feed on your Instagram. Alright, so what you want to do is, firstly, let me just open the app here. Okay, this is how you do it. So I'm on my profile page. This is my band, the Southport. Check it out, link in bio. Alright, so what you want to do is, let's take a post, for example, that you've archived. Let's take this one here of our amazing bass guitarist and vocalist in our band, Tanner Kelly Stack. Check him out. So he's doing the promotion for our album that dropped on the 1st of September 2023. Whenever you are hearing this, check it out. So what you do is, you might have clicked on the three dots on the top and select archive, and probably didn't read this like I did, and archive, not knowing that my post would be removed from my Instagram, put into the archives, and then will be deleted from the whole Instagram platform within 30 days. I didn't know that. I thought it was like you just archive it and it's not 30 days. But anyway, I didn't read properly. Anyway, so now you'll see that that post of Gorgeous Tanner is no longer on the page. So what you want to do is click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you go to your activity, and then you'll see archived. Select archive. There's the post. You click on it, tap the three dots on the top right hand corner of the post and say show on profile, and you'll see it. So it will reappear and people will be able to see and interact with it again. You just say show on profile. Now it's restoring, and it's been restored, and we can view it on our profile. And there's Gorgeous Tanner looking so good once again in our Reels folder and again on our post page. So everybody, I hope this video helped, and